Welcome to this tutorial on adding WordPress menu icons in just 5 minutes. In this guide you will learn how to modify your site's navigation by incorporating a custom icon to enhance your visitor's experience. Begin by going directly to WordPress, open your preferred web browser and enter the WordPress website address. Once the page loads, you will notice a login option displayed on the top right corner of the screen. This is your entrance into the WordPress system where you can edit your site. After you have located the login option, click on it. This action will take you to the authentication screen where various login methods are available. Here you will see an option to continue with Google. Select this option and then choose your Google account from the list that appears. Completing this step will securely sign you into your WordPress account using your preferred email without the need to enter any additional passwords. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see an interface that contains quick links for managing your site. Look for the quick links section and within this area locate the option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to transition into the site editor, the central hub where you can make all necessary changes to your website layout and settings. In the editor, you will begin navigating through various components to add your custom menu icon. After entering the site editor, direct your attention to the navigation section. In this part of the interface, you will see options that allow you to manage your site's menu. Click on navigation to reveal the current menu settings and options. With the navigation view in front of you, the next step is to choose the specific menu you want to modify. This process is straightforward. Find the menu list and select the desired menu to continue with your customization. Once you have selected the appropriate menu, observe the 3 dots that indicate additional settings or options. Clicking on these dots will reveal further elements you can modify. When these extra options appear, look for the Edit option and click on it. Transitioning into the edit mode for your navigation will now allow you to perform detailed modifications. Now that you are in the editing interface for your menu, it is time to add a new block. Locate the Add Block option in the editor. This step is essential because it enables you to integrate various components into your site's layout. After adding a block, your next focus should be on selecting the site logo option. The site logo block is the designated area where you can add an icon that represents your menu visually. Click on the site logo block to proceed. With the site logo block in place, the final task is to change the current media icon. This involves clicking on the current media icon to open a file browser. Once you have the file browser open, look through your folders and select the menu icon that you wish to use. This action replaces the existing media icon with your custom icon, allowing your new visual element to appear in your WordPress menu. Following these steps will help you successfully add a WordPress menu icon in just a few minutes. Each part of the process is designed to be user-friendly, so that even if you are new to WordPress, you can follow along and enhance your website's navigation effortlessly. Enjoy the improved aesthetics and functionality of your site with this simple yet impactful modification.